Seafood can be a quick and easy meal any night of the week, and it doesn't have to break the bank. Using leftover rice and one of my favorite luxury ingredients from the sea, sustainably sourced crab.
I'm Andrew Zimmern, and this is seafood without the catch.
Crab fried rice is easier to make at home than it is to order. But what's really important is the quality of your crab.
99% of the crab is already cooked.
Crab is highly perishable. It has to be cooked, has to be packed up and frozen. It's the best that way because it's at peak freshness, and you don't have to have a bunch of crab
That's
to make
right.
that work.
Given the same amount of weight, I extract more flavor from crab than from lobster.
And all you have to do is pull it out and warm it and eat it.
It's so simple to prepare.
Okay, let's head to the kitchen.
What's really, really important is how we clean and dry our crab.
All we're gonna do is break these pieces of crab at the joint. You also have this beautiful knuckle right here. Scissor goes right through, and you can just coax these pieces of crab meat out with your finger. The reason that I have the towel is that I want to soak up any moisture that is in this crab meat. Just press gently to extract all the moisture. I'm just gonna make sure that I have bite-sized pieces, and there we go. The star ingredient is ready to take their bow on stage. Everything is gonna happen in this wok in just a matter of a couple of minutes, and you wanna be able just to be ready to add things to the pan, one after another after another. I add some oil to this already heated wok. First thing you do is throw the egg in. This is my cooked egg, so I just pull it up the side. It's all going to get utilized. Again, put about a tablespoon or so in. I can just start to see it smoke. So that's my chilies, my ginger, and my garlic. And I can see some gentle browning going on in there. And that's when I can add my rice. Day-old rice is better than fresh rice when it comes to making fried rice. It sears better. I want my rice to get some oil on it and crisp up. I'll take some of my bigger pieces of scallion. I want that smoky breath of the dragon flavor on my rice. Okay, a little bit of white pepper, a little bit of rice wine, a little bit of sesame oil, a little bit of soy sauce, pre-cooked carrots and peas, our crab meat and egg. And you can see how dense with crab this fried rice is. And then sprouts and scallion tops. Crab fried rice, even easier than takeout, using leftover rice and sustainably sourced crab. And what I'm hoping to do with this recipe is inspire the same confidence in the kitchen that you have when you're purchasing your seafood at Hy-Vee, and make a super elegant family meal or side dish.